Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung pangalawang araw natin ng Zoom meeting natin para po sa bago nating project na VaultX na nagsimula po tayo noong 11th May lang po. Ayan, isi-share na po natin ang video natin para maintindihan po natin ang overview ng ating company bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating, ayan, para sa ating presentation. Okay.
VaultX. Secure, trade, grow. Let me show you exactly how to deposit and start trading on Volx. It takes less than 2 minutes. Step 1. First, tap on the deposit button inside your Volx account. Step 2. Next, choose your preferred currency, either USDT or USDC. Step 3. Copy the wallet address that appears on your screen. Step 4. Now send your USDT or USDC to that address. Make sure you are using the BEP20 network. Step 5. Once your transfer is complete, copy your transaction ID and paste it in the field provided. Step 6. Finally, click Verify, and your account will be credited automatically. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Your first step starts with just $20. Start now, link below. VaultX. Secure, trade, grow. Let me show you exactly how to deposit and start trading on Volx. It takes less.
Yes, mag-unmute po tayo. Mag-unmute po tayo.
Tayo muna tayo, anak ha.
Unmute po natin yung microphone natin para hindi po maistorbo ang ating Zoom meeting. Okay? Magsimula na po tayo. Maraming salamat po. Pwede pa kayo mag-invite ng more participants. Ayan. Dahil magsisimula pa lang po ang presentation. Let me go. Yan, malinaw po? Everything is clear? Yes, Miss Coach ko rin po. Greetings po from Dubai. Ayan. Let's see kung makakasama ang ating other presenter. Nakamute ba ako? Yes, dear. So, let's go. Yan. Ito po ang ating company, VaultX. Yan po ay bago lang, 11th May nagsimula, Secure, Trade, and Grow. So katulad po to ng auto trading po ito. Hindi niyo na po kailangan mag-trade manually. Ayan po. Who we are, yan. VaultX is a modern digital finance platform built to help users secure, trade, and grow their assets with ease. Yan, with a low entry point of just $20. Ipapaliwanag ko yan here, yes. Low entry po, ibig sabihin po, 20 USDT makapagsimula na po tayo sa pagtitrade natin. Madali lang po mag-trade dito. Kailangan nyo lang po ng code na makukuha nyo sa Telegram group. And then, ika-copy-paste nyo lang po siya. Kapag nag-run na po yung trading, kahit po mag-log out kayo, within 10 minutes, makikita nyo po yung profit nyo. So, example po, 1,000 USDT. Magkakaroon kayo ng profit about 12 USDT to 13 USDT sa isang trade lang po. Meron tayong 2 beses na trading sa isang araw. Okay? Meron po tayong mahabang-mahaba na paglalagay po ng code natin. So, parang katulad po sa Dubai, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, in between ng oras na yon, kung hindi nyo pa nalagay yung code, ay hindi ko na lang po alam. Sobrang busy nyo na po. At huwag nyo pong i-miss yan dahil po yung profit nyo, kung 2.5% po to araw-araw, magiging kalahati lang yung makukuha nyo. So, meaning kapag na-complete nyo yung trade nyo ng dalawa, about $25 po yan. Fast access, ayan. Pwede po kayong mag-withdraw ng 5 USDT minimum po. At ang gas fee po natin ay 2.5%. Yan. Daily withdrawals 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. UK time. Meron po tayong oras na withdrawal. Paano po natin malalaman yan? Lahat ng bagong update, pumunta po tayo sa Telegram group. Nandun po lahat ng update. Meron din po kaming ginawang messenger group, and that's only for us to actually post the announcement. Okay? Wala pong mga i-spam doon ng kung ano-ano pong message. 15-day circle. So dito mas mabilis po ang kita. After 15 days, pwede na po kayong mag-withdraw ng profit nyo. Or gusto nyo, isama nyo na yung capital nyo kung hindi kayo masaya, pero I believe na masaya kayo, so i-continue po yung cycle nyo. Ayan. Or pwede nyo kayo mag-withdraw din ng daily kung gusto nyo. The 15-day capital cycle. Ayan. Capital is activated within the ecosystem. Profits can be withdrawn daily. Pinaliwanag ko na po yan. At the completion of the 15-day cycle, capital can be withdrawn if one can decide to continue trading. So pinaliwanag ko na pala yan ng unang slide. Pinagsama-sama na ni Coach Corinne. Ayan. Growth phase. Assets are managed through optimized trading windows. Re-entry. Users have the choice to withdraw or compound for the next cycle. So dito po, hindi po namin kayo pipilitin. Kung gusto niyo pong i-continue niyo po. Pero maganda na bawiin niyo po muna yung capital niyo. Kung pwede po kayo mag-withdraw ng half ng capital niyo, i-withdraw nyo or i-withdraw nyo muna yung pinaka-capital nyo, and then yung profit nyo, ayan, you can run again the cycle para safe po tayo, and ituro rin po natin yan sa mga member po natin. Kailangan nating iisipin po yung safety ng mga member natin. Okay? Trading and profit distribution. Ayan, 24/7 monitoring, constant surveillance of digital asset price action. Efficiency, millisecond execution to capture price imbalance, risk migration po natin, advanced protocol to protect the principal capital. Ang withdrawal po dito ay mabilis. Okay? Hindi po aabutin ng siyam-siyam. Meron po kayong 5 USDT, pwede nyo pong i-withdraw. Pero kung pwede nyo naman pong ipunin ng 10, laki-lakihan nyo na po para hindi masayang ang gas fee, then saka nyo po siya i-withdraw. At pwede nyo rin po siyang i-transfer ulit sa trading kung gusto nyo siyang idagdag sa capital nyo. Okay? VaultX Roadmap. Ayan. Partnership with global leaders. Ayan, bumubuo po tayo dito ng team. Ayan, bumubuo tayo dito ng team. We're building an ecosystem na gusto nating maglagay ng maraming members dahil po gusto po nating i-share yung maganda pong kitaan dito. Okay? Sa lahat po ng company na madaling kumita, isa lang po ang masasabi ko, na wag po tayong nating isipin na forever po yung mga gatong company. Kahit gaano pa kaganda ang company, kung gusto magsara ng company, magsasara po sila. Nasdaq pa yan, or European Union, or whatever. Ang pinakamaganda po dyan, masyado tayong cautious, right? Kailangan po, again, inuulit ko na mabawi natin yung capital natin and yung profit po ang, again, i-cycle po natin, ganyan. Kung kaya nyo mag-take risk, then go ahead. Pero yung sa mga, lalo na yung mga bago sa crypto, wag po natin silang pababayaan at wag po natin sila pabayaan na madala sa ganito. Lagi ko po yan sinasabi sa every Zoom meeting na ginaganap. Hindi po ako nagkukulang sa pagkasabi po sa mga member, okay? Launch Volti Copy Trading System. Ayan, coming soon. Launch VaultX Wallet. Magkakaroon din po tayo ng wallet very soon. That is one of the roadmap. Secure, seamless, built for the future of digital finance. Global marketing and partnership. Yan po yung Q1 2027. Q1 means quarter 1 of 2027. May global marketing and partnership po tayo. So Vault is expanding yung ecosystem niya through global reach-out collaboration. How we wish and how we hope that this company will last long, right? Kasi talaga magandang kitaan natin. We can assist a lot of people para sa kanilang daily expenses. Ayan, kapag umabot na yung 15 days nyo, you can withdraw daily. Alam niyo po yung mga pamalengke natin, pambaon ng mga anak natin, pamasahe natin, pambili natin ng mga pampaganda, ayan, pan-Jollibee natin, whatever you wanna do. Pero ang importante po niyan, money makes money po muna bago po tayo gumastos ng malaki. It's very good to reward yourself, pero kailangan you need to know your limitation. Ayan, kasi pag nawala na naman tayo, we broke again, we don't want to be broke again, di ba? Kailangan po, lagi meron tayong tinatabi. Correct? Launch Vault DEX. Oh, magkakaroon din po tayo ng DEX. The next generation decentralized exchange by VaultX. DEX is very, very good. Ayan po. At ang mga DEX po, tumatagal po yan, and this is like another tech po na maganda talaga, especially po sa crypto world. So, Q3 2027 means quarter 3 of 2027. Ibig po sabihin ng quarter 3, we have, you need to break 4, 8, 12, right? Yun, so every 3, 6, 9, 12. No, yeah. Every 3 months. So quarter one is on the pangatlong buwan, and second, like example, Q2, yan po yung the next 3 months again, and then next 3 months. So we have 12 months, 3, 6, 9, 12. Ayan. More to come. The journey has just begun. Always remember, kasi simula lang po natin ng 11th May. Today is our, yes, it's 21 now, is our 10 days. So, sino po ba yung mga leader na naka-achieve ng malalaman po natin mamaya yung rank, and then you will have your Apple Watch. Ayan, napaka-generous ng company natin. Power na power yan. Parang Volt X, Volt S5. O, di ba? Parang ganyan eh. Ito na po ang makitaan natin. Ayan, winner na winner. Referral bonus. So, dito napakadali lang po talaga. Referral bonus system natin, meron tayong 3 levels lang po. So, on the first direct nyo po, meron kayong 5%. Okay, so 100 USDT times 5%, ayan, gamitin nyo po yung calculator nyo. So the second level, ibig sabihin po, level 1, ngayon meron na sa baba nun, 2% po tayo. And sa pangatlo nyo pong level, 1%. Ayan, simple mathematics lang po yan. 1, 2, 3 lang, napakadali. Okay? Kaya wag po tayong malilito. Yeah, let's vote in nga. Oh, kaya nga ang tawag ko rito, vote in. Yan. Makinig kayo rito, madali lang. Ranking incentives. Ito po, napakadali dito. Hindi nyo po kailangan mag-rank up. Halimbawa, may 3 direct kayo. Kailangan nyo mag-rank up tong 3 direct na to bago kayo mag-move on sa isang rank. No, it's not like that. When you want to reach coordinator, ayan, zoom ko, para malinaw ang vote in natin. Coordinator, yan, kapag may team volume kayong 2,000 USDT, meaning hanggang sa level 3 nyo, kasama po yan sa total team sales. So example, ayan, sabihin natin si Sir Renan. Right? Si Sir Renan, halimbawa si Sir Joselito sa baba, si Sir Joselito nakapag-sales ng 1,000. At sa baba ni Sir Joselito, may 500. At si Sir Renan, may 500 ng sales. So 2,000 na. Meaning, coordinator na si Sir Renan. At may weekly income siya na 50 USDT. So every week niyo po yan makukuha. Pero, mamaya na yung pera ko. So leader, ayan, meron po kayong 100 weekly income, parang passive income yan. Team volume, 5,000 USDT. Again, it's the team volume. Kahit nasa pinakababa nyo pa ang pinakamataas mag-sales, kasama pa rin yan sa total sales nyo. Correct? Okay, at ang stakeholder, yan yung pinakamataas nating rank, 10,000, wow, 10,000 USDT weekly income yan, and 500,000 team volume. Kapag tumataas po ang ranko natin at dumadami yung sales natin, meaning we also have a reward. Ayan, napakaganda ng reward dito. Kung gusto nyo magkabahay, magkakotse, ayan, magka-cellphone, ayan, you need to reach your rank. Okay? Ngayon, let's go down. Other ranking incentives po tayo. Ayan, kung may 10 kayong direct active team, may $25 reward. 20 direct active team, $50 USDT reward. Yan po yung lahat yun 1, 2, 3 sa leveling nyo. Okay, and so on and so forth. 100 direct active members, 200 USDT reward. Ayan. Pero, itong weekly income ba na to ay makukuha natin every week? Yes. Kapag in 3 weeks lang po natin yan, i-enjoyin. Kasi kung forever po yan bibigay ng company, wala na po tayong company next week. Madidrain na po yung ating madidrain po yung company. Siyempre, hindi po tayo pwede mag-overpay. Correct? So, 3 weeks only to continue earning at the next level, you must achieve the next rank. Ayan. Enjoyin nyo yung 50 USDT nyo or 100 USDT. Ayan, kung halimbawa, dito po, yan, na-achieve natin. First, na-achieve na po natin. Magbilang kayo ng 3 weeks. You need to jump on another rank, leader. Ayan, 5,000 USDT. Wala naman pong timeline yan, pero syempre, hindi na kayo makaka-receive ng 50 USDT. Hindi naman po pwedeng laging palugi at napaka-generous. We're doing business here, hindi po to charity. Correct? So if you really want to get payoff with whatever you want, you need to work on it. Tama? Okay, agree ba? Ayan, agree. Next. Ranking incentives, nasabi ko na rin to. Parehas lang po ng nauna to. So Vault X rewards consistent growth and team leadership by hitting specific team volume milestones. Leader unlock a guarantee weekly income to fuel their financial independence. Now, ito na po yung sinasabi ko. Kapag nag-leader rank po kayo, today yan dahil 10 days na po since po tayo nag-start. Okay? We started 11th May. So kung nag-rank up kayo today, leader rank, that is 2,000, leader rank is, teka lang, balik tayo. Yes, 5,000 USDT. Ayan, 5,000. Malinaw na malinaw pa. Okay? And then you will get your Apple Watch. Ayan. Now, kung hindi nyo na-achieve yan, it's okay. Marami pa po tayong mga incentive. So, first leader, unlock exclusive support. First leader to achieve 3,000. Direct sales. Direct sales, ibig sabihin yan, direct mo yung sales, hindi team sales. Okay? So, if I generate 3,000 USDT on my first line, meron akong 3,000 USDT. 3,000 USDT. And then magkakaroon po tayo ng team event. Exclusive support for your team event. So, reach 3,000 in direct sales, get support, we support your team event. Okay? So, kapag na-reach nyo po yung 10,000 USDT team volume, meron po tayong iPhone na reward. So, 700 USDT po yan. I-times po natin yan sa peso. Okay, let's go. 700 times, let's say, 60. 42,000 peso. O pwedeng iPhone 17 yan. Kaso yung gigabyte magtatalo yan. Diba? Yung ganun. No. Okay. All right. So, yes, Shannon, do you want to continue? On the next? Ngayon ko na nabasa ang ni Ma'am Shannon. Shannon?
Yes, Coach. I was supposed to tell you na first part akin.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Bukas ka na.
Ayun.
Napagtuloy-tuloy ko
Okay,
na.
Coach.
Okay. All right. Now, okay. 20,000 USDT na team volume. Team volume. You see, my team volume, my direct sales. So, wag niyo pong pag-mixin yon. Baka mamaya ma-achieve niyo yung 3,000, naghanap kayo ng, na-achieve niyo yung sales na yon. And then, team sales pala yung 3,000, nag-expect kayo. O, di ba? So, hindi po ganon. Basahin po natin maigi. 20,000 USDT, team volume. Ayan, magkakaroon po kayo ng mega event. So, achieve more, reach 20,000 USDT team volume. Earn big, get 3,000 cash to host your event. Okay? Now, mega event yan. Mas malaking event po ang susuportahan ng ating company. Now, if you want to have your dream ride, ayan, 60,000 USDT team volume and get a car reward. Anong car ba yon? 60,000 USDT. O ano yan? Ano ba to? Yung kotse na yan, hindi na po natin alam kung ano pong model yan. Kayo na po bahala ang mag-decide. Okay? Basta ma-reach nyo po yung 60,000 team volume, meron po kayong car reward. Whatever it is, it's a blessing. So, maganda po yan, pampagood vibes. Okay? Now, if you reach 100,000 USDT team volume, ayan, qualify for incredible trip to Dubai. Ayan. Nasaan ba si Ma'am Corinne? Nasa Dubai po siya. I'm enjoying the Burj Khalifa here. I'm enjoying the Palm Jumeirah here. Sabi nga nila, ang Dubai, this is actually the new American dream. Ayan. Nakita nyo? Yan, hindi pa yan kagandahan actually. Yung maganda talaga paglabas ko dito ng mga 3 kilometer away. Ayan. Next time makapag-zoom nga sa Burj Khalifa, makapunta doon. Okay? So yes, Dubai is the new American dream now. Lahat gusto dito magpunta. Now you have $10,000 cash reward. Magkano po ba yan in peso? It's about more than 500,000 peso. So, ako kukunin ko talaga yung 10,000. Kasi in 10,000, pwede ka magpunta more countries. Ipapackage mo yan. O pwede nyo akong kontakin. Makakapunta kayo ng Maldives, makakapunta kayo ng Thailand, Malaysia, blah, blah, blah. Magkakakonekta yan. So, it's up to you. But this is very, very good. Ayan, nakita nyo? Ito yung Museum of the Future, and this is the Burj Arab. Ba't nilagay yung Burj Khalifa rito? But this is also one of the most iconic place in Dubai. Ayan, Burj Arab. Ayan. Napakaganda niyan. Next time on the Zoom meeting, ipapakita ko ang mga napuntahan ko dito. Too many places I've been here, kaya now I'm exploring different estate of Dubai. Ano pa next? Okay, 500,000 USD team volume at magkakaroon kayo ng inyong dream house. O, paano na yan? To the next level na talaga to, let's vault in na talaga. Sino ang unang makaka-achieve niyan? Baka maunahan tayo ng mga African at mga European. Ayan. Sino ang gusto maka-achieve ng 500,000? Soon, lagay nyo sa chat box. Ayan. Lilipat ako ng team. Okay ba yon? Hindi naman joke lang. Now, I think this is the last one. 1 million team volume USDT and you will become the shareholder and receive 100,000 cash reward. Wow. Winner na winner to. Okay, 100. This is like 7 to 8 million peso, if I'm not mistaken. Times 55 nyo po siya. We go to the minimum ones, okay? Napaka-generous ng ating company. Ayan, kapag talagang masipag, hindi nyo po kailangan maging professional networker. Ang importante po dyan, i-share nyo lang po. At huwag tayo mamimilit ng tao. Let them actually start with the capital that they're comfortable with. Correct? Ayan, 20 USDT magsimula. Pero ang payo ko po, kapag ang bago pa lang ang kumpanyang ganito, dyan po yung maganda po maglagay kayo. Don't go to the end part of it. Kasi baka maging end of the world na rin siya. Ayan. Okay? Now, papakitaan ko po kayo ng withdrawal. Do you want some withdrawal? Teka po. Meron po akong isang katim dito. Okay. At sasabihin ko lang po na isa lang din po ako ditong mga member. Hindi po tayo nagbibigay ng financial advice here. Okay? Kaya lang po ako nag-zoom at si Coach Shanen dahil we want to explain it in a Tagalog version. But it doesn't mean that we are part of the company o kami yung isa sa mga partner. No, it's not like that. Pare-parehas lang po tayo dito. Now, I'm going to share to you ang withdrawal po natin. Okay? Like this one. Ayan. Okay, i-play po natin siya. Na madali lang po ang withdrawal dito. Alright, let's go.
Okay guys, good afternoon sa ating lahat, no? Today is Monday, May 18, 2026, no? So, ayan ang asset natin. So, yung withdrawal balance natin nasa $48.60, no? Ngayon, mag-try tayo. This is the first time guys na mag-try ako na mag-withdraw dito sa VaultX, no? Kung gaano kabilis, kung ilang minutes lang. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan po yung balance ko. Ang i-withdraw ko lang guys is $20 lang po. Yan lang, try natin. So, yung destination, ayan, ilagay natin dito yung wallet, B20, no? Ayan, this. So, try natin, try. Try po, $20 lang. Try natin kung gaano kabilis. Okay, request and submit, no? Ayan, no? So may bawas. So tingnan natin doon sa sa Trust Wallet kung pumasok na ba. No? Ayan na guys, oh, mabilis lang oh. $19 oh. Oh, receive. Tingnan natin dito sa Trust Wallet kung totoo. Kung gaano kabilis. Ano lang seconds lang eh. Walang minutes, seconds lang 'yan, di ba? Seconds lang.
Ayan. So seconds lang at nakakapag-withdraw na po tayo. Withdrawal is the very important kung gaano po siya kabilis ang punta sa ating wallet. And plus, you can track that on the blockchain sa BSC scan po natin. Ayan, Team Explorer. Sino ba yan? Makakarating na ba tayo sa magkano ba yung highest? Magkano ba yung highest sales? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Basta mag-sales lang po tayo. Do you have any question? Bukas magpapakita po tayo ng, mag-request po kayo kung ano nyo po yung gusto nyong makita. Kasi kanina nagpakita na po tayo ng paraan ng pagde-deposit. So yes, I'm going to stop this recording and we can have our question and answer. Maraming salamat po.